This is a 2017 Honda CR-V. It's got the privacy glass for the rear windows. It's got a great set of Pirelli Verde Scorpion tires on it. You see these are 18-inch rims, kind of a two-tone look, machined with a dark gray. Proximity entry. Has a light gray leather. There's your sunroof. This is a non-smoker. Smells really good inside. Power adjustable passenger and driver seat. Premium floor mats, a CR-V there on the side. Very clean car inside here. It's got the full coverage mat here in the back as well. It says CR-V on it. Got your air vents. 2 USB charging ports. It does have a power liftgate. Programmable height. You have a cargo shade cover that is retractable as well as removable completely. You got a premium CR-V cargo cover here, and underneath is your spare tire and jack, which you also have a bunch of storage in there if you need it too, as well as there in the corners. You have these handles here on both sides. You pull those handles, your seats will fold down flat. There's your button. It does have the LED daytime running lights with the projector beam headlights. Those headlights look really good at night. You also have some blinkers here built in for your turn signals. Power adjustable driver seat. Here on the door you have your driver memory seat package. Here's your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. And this really good looking wood grain accent here that goes all the way across the dash. As far as safety features though, this does have the road departure mitigation or lane change alert, and then your forward collision alert system. 60,000 miles, almost 61. There's your Bluetooth, cruise control, automatic headlights. This has a backup camera with multiple views, so you have a super wide angle, standard, and a zoom down. That's really nice. It's all touch screen. You can see it is push button start. You got your heated seats in the front. It is a dual zone automatic climate control system. Parking brake, eco mode. This is really cool down here. So you have your flip up console. This slides, gives you even more space. You can see down there you have a USB, or 2 USBs and another 12 volt. This tray is also removable if you don't want it. It makes that space even bigger. You got another 12 volt port there. Looking at your key, like I said, keyless entry. It has built-in remote start, auto dimming rearview mirror. You have a power adjustable sunroof here, and your built-in garage door openers. Also, you got your owner's manual in there. Overall, this is a very clean car inside and out. Has a couple little scratches I'm sure on the outside that I didn't notice, but just overall walking around it, very well taken care of vehicle.